$12 for this? This better be life-changing. It's fine. For 12 bucks, this should feed my whole family. Or we can make it for 8. You can't beat Cane's. Challenge accepted. Hold up, let's go shopping first. Coleslaw mix, ketchup, mayo, hot sauce, cornstarch, crinkle cut fries, vegetable oil, buttermilk, bread, Worcestershire sauce, chicken tenders. These are all the spices that you will need, so be sure to check your pantry before going shopping. 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, a half tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon salt. If we're beating Cane's, we can't make dry chicken. Yeah, because that's what this tastes like. Now, the marinade matters. Add 1/3 of seasoning mix to the buttermilk. And now add some hot sauce. Now it sits because flavor needs time to argue. You know, this is the only reason why people come here. Then we make it better. Let this sit in the fridge while you fry. The flavors need time to get to know each other. This is leftover flour from my KFC video. Check it out after this video. 1 cup flour, ½ cup cornstarch, plus remaining spice rub. Chicken into the flour, then back to the butter, finally back to the flour and press on the flour. Let the chicken tenders rest for 8 to 10 minutes while we prepare the coleslaw. ½ cup mayonnaise, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 bag of coleslaw mix. Let sit in the fridge 15 to 20 minutes. This builds flavor while you fry the tenders. Drop into the hot oil at 350 Fahrenheit. quick crispy fries hack. First fry for 5 minutes, take out, let sit for 3 to 4 minutes, then refry till golden brown. Check out this easy hack. Don't spend money on that expensive Texas toast. You can just make your own. This part, it's easy. Butter, toast, sprinkle garlic. Ooh. This is dangerous, Chris. I wasted $12. Oh my goodness. Ow. That's 2 for 2. That's it. Here's the math. $20.13 from Aldi and $5.42 from Kroger's equals $25.57. $25.57 divided by 3 plates equals $8.52 per plate. And at Taste Bud Odyssey, we never overpay. Hit like if this video saved you money. And subscribe if you're looking forward to more videos that will save your wallet. If you have an idea on a restaurant or fast food chain that I should take down next, leave a comment down below. Also, if you're interested in any more dupes that will save you bank, check out this KFC video right here. If you like this video, you most likely will like this one. If you want to see me take down Taco Bell and the $7 Contrast Supreme, check out this video right here. It's been a pleasure serving Taste Buds today. Peace!